Join discord.gg/flat earth and enter a VC check-in room and someone will come along to VC verify and get involved with the conversation about our Earth. Now we have time for a meeting with the real flat earthers.
So the Earth isn't a ball.
Here's your proof.
Well, you said it. You just
In
gave
reality,
it to you.
Measurements.
Not in
Earth
Narnia's
is-
closet.
Earth itself.
I haven't heard any proof. I've just been hearing excuses.
Earth is
I'm
when?
out. Lucid, you think the Earth is a globe, right?
I don't really know. You know,
You don't
I just
know.
think that gravity is the thing.
Okay, so you don't know if the Earth is a globe or not, but you're standing here talking about how it could be a globe? I don't know. I'm kind of confused.
I'm just saying, like,
Is the Earth a globe or not, Lucid? I mean, is the Earth a globe? That's all I want to know.
how would I know that? I've never been in outer space.
Well, that's not the point. The point is you're hang on, guys. The point is you're advocating for the position that the Earth is a globe.
Okay, so when
Right.
you go outside,
Are
Go
you
to a higher
advocating
plane?
for the position that the Earth is a globe, Lucid? Yes or no? Are you
Yes.
advocating? Okay. So if you're advocating for it, that means you must have some type of knowledge that it's a globe, right?
yeah, I
Right?
do.
Okay. So let's get to that right now because we want to know how you know the Earth is a globe. So it's 3 easy questions that you should be able to answer,
tell you,
like
I can tell
even
you.
a school child can answer. So if the Earth is a globe, who's directly measured the curvature of the Earth any time in history?
Okay, so what you do, you use a gyroscope.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Next.
if the Earth is a sphere, you would see a 15 degree per hour drift.
Drift?
And you do.
Are we look? Wait 1 second. We're not talking about if the Earth is moving, Lucid. We're talking about who has directly measured the curvature of the Earth.
No,
You know how
no,
round the Earth
because-
is? That's what we're looking for. We're not talking if the Earth is moving. We're actually looking for if the Earth is actually curved on its surface.
No, okay, if the Earth is moving in a rotational drift, then it's
We're
a
not
sphere.
talking
It's not
about
flat.
the Earth is moving, Lucid. Please focus. We're talking if the Earth is actually
That's
curving,
my-
like they're telling us.
That's my proof that the Earth is curving.
That's not the answer to the question,
Wait.
Lucid.
That's not the answer to the question. You're obfuscating with it moving. I don't care if the Earth is moving right now. We're not there yet. We're only trying to find out if it has any curvature. Like if it's curving, that's what we're looking for.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Try
so
to give us
literally
an
all you
answer
do-
to how it's curving.
You can see it. Like literally
Okay.
just look outside.
Where can we
You-
see this curvature?
So if you go to the beach, you stand either back enough or high enough, you can see like a little slight curve. Obviously you can't see a big one because the Earth is big.
All right. So you say that the Earth is curving at the beach. And I doubt that
Anywhere.
because I don't.
Anywhere.
Listen, all right. So I don't see that. So I don't see curvature and you say it's curving. How are you going to then prove it to me that it actually is curving? What method can you show me that it actually is curving? What demonstration can you show me, Lucid?
Gyroscope, but you keep telling me that that's not a valid argument
Okay,
because
so-
you know it's right.
Right. So what does a gyroscope do? You're saying gyroscope. It's a gyroscope. What does a gyroscope do? Is it tell us that it's curving or does it tell us that the Earth is moving? What is a gyroscope function
Honestly,
supposed to be
both.
doing? No.
Both.
You're incorrect. Incorrect. I need you to post a citation how it's going to show us that it's curving in the live stream voice text, Lucid. Go ahead and demonstrate to us how a gyroscope shows us that the Earth has curvature. Go ahead.
Let me find an article.
All right. That it's curving, not that it's moving.
Yeah, I kind of want to address this as well because she's conflating. She doesn't know that
I know.
what she's
I know,
talking
brother.
about is an optical.
I want her.
gyroscope and the
I want her
seismic
to.
effect.
Yeah, brother. I want her to stumble. That's the whole point. I'm not giving the game away, but I want her to do this. Like I want her to demonstrate to the whole entire audience that she's been telling right now that a gyroscope proves curvature. I need her to show everybody how this is not the case. But I wanted her to do that.
Gyroscope.
So please-
Pull my belly up. I know that.
Yeah, but let's go with it. No, let's go with the information. We're waiting in live stream voice text. Go ahead and post it, please.
Okay, but while I'm trying to find it, let me explain my thing here.
Oh, I don't care about explanations. I only care about is proof. That's it. I don't care what you say right now. As long as you have the evidence to back up your claim, we're good. But you need to post that in live stream voice text. Because your stories aren't going to make it any better for me. Only the proof that you have to show me. That's what's going to make it better.
Okay.
That's it. And if you don't have it, just say I don't have it. That'll save face.
I don't have it.
You don't have it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we don't have evidence that a gyroscope is proving evidence of Earth curvature.
Wait.
Okay. You want me to wait? Okay.
Wait.
Take
Okay.
time.
Okay. So
Yes.
my thing is
What's your thing?
that, like, you keep saying that I can't bring in the Earth moving, but if they're moving,
I'm looking for the curvature of the Earth, Lucid, not that it's moving. We're going to get there in the next question. Right now, I need you to provide evidence that it actually is a globe, as in the geometric shape, you know, like a sphere. I need to know that first before we.
So, but your whole thing is that the Earth is flat,
What?
but if we are moving,
No, my whole thing is
So
that
are
you
you
don't have
moving back?
evidence. Lucid, my whole evidence is that you don't have evidence that it's a globe. That's my whole. You don't have that. There is nothing to back that up, and I'm asking you
you
right now
do.
to present that. Present it. Present it.
Okay, if you
present
cut out a hole in 2 cardboard cutouts and then give them a direct straight line at far enough distance, and then shine a light through one, you should be able to see the light from the other cardboard cutout.
Lucid, what are you talking about? They didn't answer my question. Who has directly measured the curvature of the Earth, Lucid? Who in history?
is my-
What smart person? What intelligent scientist? What person out there? Because I know you're not a
That
scientist,
wasn't the
right?
question, though. You asked me
No,
to find
yes,
out
it
if
is.
there's-
Who directly
Okay,
measured the
now it's a
curvature of the
question.
Earth?
It wasn't before.
Well,
Wasn't before, but
it
is
always has been. It always has been. Who has directly measured the curvature of the Earth any time in history, Lucid? Anyone. Find somebody. I don't care who. Who's your champion out there that showed you the Earth is a globe? Yes.
You can say you don't know. I mean, you can concede.
No, I got it.
Okay.
I'll post it in the live chat right now.
We're gonna go over it too.
Some shadows.
Yeah, we'll talk about it as soon as she posts it.
Sorry to interrupt, so I presume we're on question number 1 of the 3 set of questions. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it's going to take a while.
Awesome.
She's gonna demonstrate.
8
I
years
guess.
so far. But
All right. What did you post here? This knowledge was gradually adopted through the old world during the late antiquity, Middle Ages. First
God's
was
sake. Did you just,
Ferdinand
did you just
Magellan.
copy and paste?
Did you just? Okay. All right.
That's what you told me what to do.
Okay. So
You told
Ferdinand.
me to find anyone in history that's done it, so I just
Okay.
copied
All
and
right.
pasted a name that has done it.
Your internet's trash right now, but I'm gonna try.
How did he manage this, Lucid? We're trying to ask you how.
All right.
a person
So
did this.
Ferdinand Magellan, right? That's what you just posted right now. What did he do to provide evidence that the Earth is a globe?
Okay.
Can you tell us?
Hold on. I'm trying to find it.
Okay.
Okay, the Earth is massive enough that the pull of gravity maintains its
What?
roughly spherical shape. Most of the devotion from spherical stems from the I can't pronounce that word, but it's like centrifugal force caused by
Centrifugal.
rotation in its north-south axis. This force deforms the sphere into an oblate ellipsoid.
Okay, he's just telling us a story, but what method did he do to actually discover that it is exactly a geometric shape? I know that's a story that's just telling us like, well, I'm just saying that it's a globe because it can be a globe. That's not giving us information of the method for us to figure out how he did it. I want to know the method and how he discovered that it's a globe.
Using gravity, but Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Miggy. I'm just confused because she first posted Magellan, which was, we could talk about that, and then she went on to gravity.
Yeah.
What
She's
is
gone
the
on-
answer?
Yeah. Now she's got another one, by the way. Geodesy now too.
Geodesy. We're all over the place right now.
Yeah,
so-
maybe
Yeah,
she
but
doesn't
That's
understand the
because
question.
all of them can be used. Multiple sources can be used to prove that
Well,
the
let's find
algorithm is
out.
wrong.
Yeah, let's find
Let's
out.
find out.
Let's find out. Lucid. The question was, who has directly measured the curvature of the Earth any time in history?
I gave you someone.
Okay, what was the
No.
method? What was the method?
No, yeah.
Lucid.
Was
What was the method? What is geodesy,
Geodesy.
Lucid? What is geodesy, Lucid?
It's the scientific discipline that deals with the measurement and representation of Earth. It's a gravitational field and a geodynamic phenomenon.
Okay, that's a lot of words.
Solar motion,
What
Earth
method?
tides,
Yeah,
and crustal motion in a
That's great.
three-dimensional time-varying space.
that's great. That's great. Now tell us how that directly measures the curvature of the Earth.
It's telling you that the Earth is.
What is it telling me? I don't care if it's telling me that. Somebody could.
No, because it
Yeah,
literally.
yes.
No,
Somebody could tell me the Earth's a potato. I'm not going to believe them. They're going to have to tell me how they measured it to be a potato.
They literally stated that deals with the measurement and representation of the Earth, and the person who confirmed that it was sphere.
What
used that
did they
method.
do? What did they do exactly to find it out? It's a bunch of words that you're telling me. So what? I don't
Okay.
care about what they're pontificating. I need to know what they actually did to measure it.
Wait.
Let me give
How
you let me
did
give you a
they-
small example, Lucid. If I wanted to
Use
measure
mine.
your
I gave you
if I wanted Lucid, if I wanted to measure your foot, I would use a little plate that has all the metrics on that little plate, and I would say, put your foot on that plate. I'm gonna see how big your foot is, and then by that I could tell you're a size 7 or whatever. But I'd have something to use to measure your foot. Now I need a method by which they directly measure the curvature of the Earth, as in drop over distance, because on a sphere there's drop over distance. We know that. So how did they do that on this Earth that you're standing on? Should be fairly easy for you to get to the answer.
Bro, how did you measure
Bro.
and prove that the Earth is flat?
It's not a
don't
burden.
reverse-
It's not a burden. It's not a burden of proof. It's not a burden of proof reversal, Lucid. I've asked you the question, and it still remains that you haven't given me a demonstration. So we're waiting on that. And it
Neither
seems
of
like
you.
it doesn't matter. The burden of proof remains that the Earth isn't proved to be a globe, Lucid.
It's not proved to be flat either.
So
Oh,
you're just telling me that
sorry,
it's not
hold on.
flat, but you haven't given me evidence that the Earth is a globe, Lucid. You have not given me that evidence, and I'm still waiting on it.
Sorry.
Funny, right?
It's
So
because
funny.
Sorry,
I
it's
know.
really annoying because we're asking you for the evidence, and then you turn around and go, "Remember, you haven't proved the Earth is flat." And it's not the question, sweetheart. We just want the answer to
Okay,
the
it's
question
in-
we've asked you, and then we can get to the direct measurement of the surface of the Earth. We can get to that later, but let's try and answer this one question:
Yeah.
when and how
First of
was the radius curvature of the surface of the Earth measured? How was that
Okay.
done?
First of all,
Be specific.
First of all, do not call me sweetheart. Second of all,
Irrelevant.
these include the visibility of distant objects on Earth's surface, lunar eclipses, appearance of the moon, observation from the sky from
Sorry.
altitude.
Sorry.
Thanks.
Sorry.
Detective down
Sorry.
here on the ground,
Sorry.
Lucid, please.
Sorry.
Navigation.
Excuse me. Which one of those is a direct measurement of the surface of the Earth? I heard you say sun and moon a load of times. We're talking about, and this is why Mayhem's getting upset. We're talking about the surface of the Earth. So when was that directly measured? Please don't say sun and eclipses again. Mayhem, please. Sorry, I do apologise.
Direct measurement of the Earth. How'd they get it? Go. Give us one method. Tell us what it is in detail.
Can I ask you a quick question? Wait, so
We
if
already
We're
did.
still waiting on direct measurement right now. We're still waiting on that.
Did, but you just don't like my answer because you know it's right.
Is your
No,
answer,
actually,
is
sorry,
your
you
answer,
didn't
is your
Lucid.
answer directly measuring the curvature, Lucid? Answer me right now. Is your method that you just told me directly measuring the curvature of the Earth?
Oh my god.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, so show me, take me step by step how looking at the moon is directly measuring the floor that you're standing on. Go ahead.
Because we rotate the sun and the moon, and then the moon rotates us. It has been proved.
Oh my God, kid.
That's true.
That's a goal.
How does that tell me that there's drop over distance on the Earth, Lucid?
The floor you're standing on. We want that measured to have curvature. Don't point at the moon again.
This is very simple, Lucid. They're asking who and when measured the curve of the Earth, and you're saying it's been measured. And we're like, okay, who and when? And you're saying it's been measured. Look, I posted something and it repeats it's been measured by all certain things. But it's like we want to get to who and when, and we can look at those.
You guys.
We can look at those examples, and then we can actually get somewhere.
Ferdinand Magellan.
What did he do? What did Ferdinand Magellan do, Lucid? What did he do to measure it?
Bro, hold on.
Bro?
I'm just trying to get like a better understanding of what this article is saying so I can explain it.
Whoa, Linda, you can't call you sweetheart. You can't call us bro.
Hang on, flat man, 1 second. Listen.
Oh, I'm sorry. I did not mean to call you
Oh
bro.
my God, do not trigger this child. Listen, Lucid, the only thing that we're doing right now is getting you to realize that the information that you're receiving, you're learning it on the spot. That means that you don't know. So you're trying to figure it out right now. We don't need to know that you're Googling stuff right now. We need to know if you know or if you don't know. Simple, right? And if you don't know, just say, like Jemsy was saying, hey, I don't know. Right? Makes so much sense. Be intellectually honest, Lucid, if you don't know. That's the only thing I'm asking you.
I mean, sorry I called you bro. I just see you guys as a father figure.
It doesn't matter, Lucid. But what I want you to realize right now is that, listen, the reason why I'm being stern right now, it's just so that you can get to the point that you don't know. And if you don't, you're intellectually honest, you can then find out some other time. But right now is the time, if you don't know, just to say it. Like, hey, I don't know. Shoot. Could be, I don't know. I believe somebody's done it, right? But at least be intellectually honest with the group.
Literally, okay, maybe I don't know exact names or exact times, but literally so many people have proved it.
Okay, so that's good. That's a start. So you just believe somebody's did it, right? But you don't know, right? Right?
I know it because it's just common knowledge.
Okay, that's great. Look, listen, at least you're getting to a part where you're starting to realize that, hey, maybe I don't know, but somebody out there figured it out. That's all I'm asking you, to be intellectually honest that you don't know, and then we can go to the next question.
Okay, go to the next question.
All right, so the next one is probably the one that you were going to tell me about, your gyroscope. But listen, so with the Earth, it's considered to be rotating on its axis at about 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, or at least that's what they tell us, right? So the mainstream rhetoric and what they tell us is that the Earth is spinning on its axis. So we need to know, same as the first question, who has directly measured the spin of the Earth any time in history? And you can give me any information so long as you know, and please describe the method by which they have done that.
Okay, I already know this one. It's the gyrosphere, and literally all you have to do is buy one, and anyone can do it.
Yeah. A gyrosphere. Gyroscope. It's a gyroscope, Lucy.
Okay, everyone pronounces it differently, man.
No, it's actually
the right words.
That's not the right word, Lucid. Anyways, okay, so what in the gyroscope tells us that the Earth is, in motion? Go ahead and tell us.
Or do you just believe it does without? Sorry. Or do you just believe it does without any first-hand knowledge?
Yeah.
You just believe it does.
Yeah, just like the first Lucid. If you just believe, you just tell us that I don't know. Maybe I know somebody's done it, but I don't know.
You can do this yourself too. You buy.
How?
Go ahead.
Sorry. How?
Gyrosphere, but
if you don't know how to, sorry. If you don't know how to do it, then how you do it? So again, it is just a belief that someone with this technology has done it.
I can do it. Do you want me to order one right now?
No. Just tell us the method by which people can understand that the Earth is in motion. Tell us the method how they can know that.
Fresh and fit Glober style,
If this is clear, they would see a 15-degree per hour drift, and you do. There's your proof.
Okay, what? That's nice. That's nice. Okay, so what would you do? Like, walk me through the steps of what you would do. with your gyro, because it's a gyroscope, but you keep saying gyrosphere. I think that's a different word, which means it would be a different contraption entirely.
Sorry, I have dyslexia.
That's fine, but with what I'm saying, I'm just correcting you so that we can get on the right page. All right, so gyroscope.
Because my dad dropped me when I had as a baby.
Don't worry about that. Listen, so let's get to the method. And so the method right now. Yeah, go ahead, Lucid. The method right now is that you're going to demonstrate how we know the Earth is in motion with the gyroscope. So what are we doing with the gyroscope? Tell me, what do we have to do? Walk me through the method, please.
Well, I think the reason why I think that the Earth is round is because, my head isn't. Because
Lucid, focus, Lucid. If you don't know, just say you don't know.
I'm explaining.
No.
No, I'm explaining.
Lucid, come on. Let's get real, okay? Let's get to the method.
Because I've explained it 10 times and you weren't listening.
Lucid, you did not explain the method, Lucid. You did not explain the method.
Yes, I did.
We are listening. You're just using buzzwords, Lucid. You're answering questions with the wrong answers. So stop using buzzwords and stick to things that you actually know, that you don't have to Google on the fly. Get back to the question.
And stop saying, Sorry, that is incredibly rude. If you're not fucking listening, just go. If you don't want to be here, just go. If you're going to be saying, in the background, just go. Because you're obviously not listening to what you just said. I'm not going to waste our time on you if you just go,
That's why I've been sitting here.
Here's the thing, because the audience is, the audience is getting irritated, Lucid. So if you don't know, I'm going to have to move on to probably somebody else in the panel.
You guys are just jumping all over her.
Okay, can I just have one final statement before I go?
Sure, go ahead.
Yes, fresh and fit, babe. What's up?
Reason that I believe the Earth is round is because my head is flat. Because my dad dropped me on my head as big.
Oh, yeah, there we go. So you're a fucking idiot, and you should probably just fuck off. Go on, fuck off.
Let me calm down, man.
That wasn't even a funny joke.
Did you know?
Nice.
Wait a minute. Did you know?
Let Elijah come in.
Is she still there?
She's still here, bro.
All right. Did you know that you believe in a disk floating in the vacuum of space, that being the galaxy, and that also the universe is flat, and also is brought to you by heliocentric priests? When I say priests, I mean the Roman Catholic Church, who started that religion. There's no evidence of it whatsoever. That's why you can't explain it, even though you think you can. That's what religion does, and that's what a cult does. The way that you're responding is exactly the way a cult follower would do.
Whoa,
bro.
Okay, let's back it up. Okay?
No one cares anymore.
Did you know that nobody cares if the Earth is flat or round? You're going to waste your entire life worrying about this, and you're never going to.
Yeah, fuck off.
Yeah, lady. You're
Listen, at least we're not making stuff up. Everyone took a lot of time and tried to persevere with you, Lucid. Now you're just basically mocking people.
Yes,
very nice.
Triggered. Like, she claims that 15 degrees proves Earth rotation. She never actually gave any supporting evidence for that. That is based on the Sagnac effect and optical gyroscopes. Meanwhile, mechanical gyroscopes are rigid in space and show that the Earth is not rotating or curving.
Spartans! What is your profession?
See, old friend, I brought more soldiers than you did.